Today our room tour will be in a thermal resort in Tuscany. So this is a superior room of Terme di Saturnia hotel. Just look at this. So here we have the TV, the bedroom. Look at how big it is. So basically you even have a sofa, a table to have some snacks, could be wine, and the view is just on the hills. Nothing special here. There are some rooms with a view to the hotel, to the swimming pool, but it's something exceptional. Here we have an amazing wardrobe that I love, absolutely love. Here you go, that's already my jacket. But here I found a bathrobe, like exactly like this one, the one that Antonio will take, and there are also flip-flops to walk around. And the bathroom. Okay. Personalized products, body cream. Love it. Hello. And here we have the bath and the shower. Okay, just look at this. Awesome. And here also we have some special products. What do we have here? Shower gel, shampoo, and hair conditioning. Good, really good. And that's crazy, but in the whole hotel, as far as it's a thermal hotel, you can feel the smell of sulfates. Ciao. Oh, I just love this poof. So comfy. Not opening.